Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to register or create a seller account. Okay, now if you must know, Selar is one of the best and actually handy platform that digital creators sell their platform there, and affiliate marketers also help digital creators to sell their platform, and in return they get commission. So I know you know about Seller. So today I'm going to show you how to register or create an account. So go to Chrome and you hit selar.co, and that's it. You are there. Seller, the best way to sell your digital products online. This is the platform. So if you're a digital creator, you must or you should sign in for Seller. This is a very good platform. So all you need to do to register on this platform, you just scroll downward. Okay, so you see start selling with Seller. Okay, so say get started for free. Hit that. Now you put your username. Do you see that? You can put your username, Toby, email, my email, full name, that's it, password. Okay, so you hit create account. Share a create account. So that's it. So when you hit create account, bam, you are directly on. So that's just basically it on how to create a seller account. But if you already have an account, you can just log in. You see that? Then I already have an account, you see, so I just click on it. That's my username, and I log in, and bam, that's Seller for me. Okay, so this is my dashboard. So Seller is a very good platform, so try to create yours. Okay, so that's basically it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe on this channel so that you will get more and more videos on your smartphone and everything about productivity and profitability. Okay, peace.